Imagine waking up each morning with a clear mind, no stress, no confusion about what you need to do. You feel sharp, focused, and even excited to learn. This is Kim Hyejin, a student from CLM Girls High School in Korea, who's become a legend for how efficiently she studies. And more importantly, how she keeps her mind healthy, optimistic, and always growing. Today, we're breaking down exactly how she does it, from her brain-waking morning habits, to her unique study systems, to the little things she does that protect her mental health.
But before that, I want to show you this academic planner on Notion, and it has everything you need to get your life together this semester. You've got a cozy dashboard with a clock, a study playlist, task reminders, and even a Pomodoro timer, so you can focus and take breaks without leaving your planner. Then there's a section for all your courses, a color-coded weekly class schedule so you never forget where to be, and an assessment calendar to track exams and assignments. It's all in one place, super organized and super cute. If you want to grab this template, it's linked for you in the description. Go get it and plan your best semester yet.
Let's start with mornings. Most people hit snooze. They bury their head under the covers, and when they finally get up, their brain's still half asleep. Not Hyejin. The moment she wakes up, she does something small but powerful. She opens her notes from the night before, or her planner, and does a quick 5-minute review. It's not hardcore memorization. It's more like telling her brain, hey, remember what we were learning? Let's keep it alive. Then she heads to breakfast. But instead of mindlessly scrolling her phone, she reads the newspaper and talks about it with her family. Even simple discussions about world events train her brain to think critically before she's even stepped out the door. This is what sets her apart. She doesn't wait until school to start learning. Her brain's already warmed up by the time she's in the classroom. Most students do passive studying. They read a textbook, maybe underline a few things, and hope it sticks. Hyejin, she does the opposite. She's active. She grabs her friends, or even just talks to herself, and explains the concept out loud, almost like she's teaching a little class. This is basically the Feynman technique, where you simplify complicated ideas into your own words. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. And her favorite trick? Sticky notes everywhere. She writes key formulas, definitions, or reminders on sticky notes and sticks them all over her house. Bathroom mirror, fridge, lamp, even the edge of her computer screen. Whenever she's brushing her teeth or getting a snack, her brain catches those facts again. Once she's mastered a note, she throws it out. It's like a mini celebration. A lot of us try to study for hours straight, but Kim Hyejin knows the brain can't focus that long. She uses an analog timer, sometimes just an old kitchen timer. She sets it for a short burst, like 25 or 50 minutes, focuses 100% on her work, then takes a small break. It's the same idea as the Pomodoro technique, but for her it's more about rhythm than strict time. Check out my Pomodoro playlist here. This protects her from burnout and actually lets her study more across the whole day. But here's what I love most about Kim Hyejin. She's not just a study robot. She takes care of her mind and body like it's part of the studying process. She often goes on short hikes. Nothing extreme, just enough to breathe fresh air, stretch her legs, and give her brain a little reset. She also meditates, just 5 minutes sitting quietly, eyes closed, slowing down her breathing. It empties out stress so it doesn't build up. When it comes to food, she avoids heavy refined carbs that make you sleepy. Instead, she eats balanced meals, veggies, proteins, healthy snacks. That keeps her alert. And at night, she writes in a gratitude journal. 3 things she's thankful for that day. It's a small habit, but it fills her with calm and optimism, even when exams are close. So here's the question. How can you bring Kim Hyejin's habits into your life? Try this for just 7 days. Wake up and do a quick review, even 5 minutes. Use a timer to break up your study blocks. Write key notes on sticky notes around your room. And at night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Watch how your mind starts to feel sharper, how studying feels less like a burden and more like a natural rhythm. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting today. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. And remember, your brain is like a garden. Keep watering it and it'll keep growing.